How can a little piece of cardboard hold up a cup's worth of water? I'm Ben, this is Physics or Bust. I'll get your answer right now. So what we need is this piece of cardboard, a cup, and enough water to fill this to the brim. Okay, you're gonna wanna do this on a surface or over at a sink or on a surface that you can clean up water really easily. Don't do it over carpet because there might be a few drops that drip. So if we take our cardboard, place it directly on top, and flip it over. And when you do it, you want to make sure that you have a really good seal all the way around so that no air gets in, because when you get a little bit of air in, you're going to have the water come falling out. I'm not holding that bottom at all, but there's no, it's staying right where it's at. So let's talk about the physics with this. You have the cup filled to the brim, and when you put the cardboard on top of it and flip it over, you would think that the pressure from the water being pulled down by gravity and basically being on top of the cardboard would just push it out and it all fall down with the cup upside down. But there's a weird thing happening here with pressure. Water being a liquid doesn't expand or compress it very much except under extreme pressure, whereas air does, and air can expand as well fairly easily. So with the water in there with no to very little air, as the water would start to pull downward, that lack of material would become a vacuum. So this vacuum doesn't form because the minute that it would start to form, water from the surrounding area would flow into that vacuum, and that results in no net movement of water going downward, putting pressure on that cardboard. You also, on the outside of the cup, have the air pressure from the room pushing on all sides. But as far as on the water, the only one that's pushing would be that cardboard. You have the cup that's a nice solid surface that all the rest of the air is pushing on. And then that cardboard, the air is pushing up on it. And so you end up with that seal of water around that bottom rim, partially because of water tension. So air can't get in because of the water tension. Water can't get out because of it either. Unless you bend it just a little bit, and then the minute a little bit of air goes in and some water comes out and it breaks that water tension, then all of it can just flow right out and make a mess. We generally don't think about this because we've always lived in this pressure and we've always experienced the pressure, but air pressure itself puts 15 pounds of pressure in 1 square inch. That's about the size of a stamp. So you have 15 pounds pushing on the size of a stamp, and you have it right now all over your entire body, but we're so used to that pressure that we don't even think about it. It's there, it's constantly there. It's a little less as you go up higher in elevation, but it's still got a lot of pressure all over your body. So between air pressure and water tension, that's how one piece of cardboard can hold up a cup's worth of water. Make sure you do this over a sink or a bucket, because if you hold it slightly wrong, or say you squeeze the cup, you could end up with a mess. Hope you had fun with this one. I know I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, keep asking questions. I'll see you on the next video.